How's it going, everybody? It's GTB here, taking a look at Polygon or Matic. There's been a few name changes. Hey, thanks for subscribing. Thank you for the thumbs up in the video. I appreciate it. Let's go ahead and dive in. If you're watching the recent videos here, today's April 13th, and yesterday Robinhood listed a handful of new cryptos for the first time in a very long time. One of them being Polygon Matic right here. Currently, it's sitting around just under 10 billion. It's about 9.7 billion dollars in market cap. Polygon Matic is an interesting project. I feel like a lot of people have hopes for it. I've heard a lot of positive things. A lot of exchanges have it on there. You know, it seems like a good project. I've read a little bit into it. Where it fits in the market, you know, there's a lot of competitors. I'm not an expert there, but it just there's a lot of positive sentiment around it from what I have observed. Okay, so let's take a look here. There's not a lot of information here. I found this the Binance chart. I didn't really find one that went past this, so it must have started. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. May 19th. So it's got a couple years under its belt, about 3 years. So look how steady it was for such a long time. That's incredible. I'm just observing here. Let's take a look at the monthly to look at the monthly chart. We have an EMA on the monthly, which is positive. A lot of projects don't even have that. Let's see. Out of curiosity, let's go there to there. Okay, so definitely past that. Let's switch to the weekly. See if we can get a clearer picture. So, a few cents here. Dip down to, fractions of a cent. Crossed around here. I'm just looking at the prices there. You can see them on the fibs. And now, okay, so let's set a fib up here. All-time high range around almost $3, just about. Let's go here, here. On the weekly chart, just want to observe, we've had a golden cross since, actually this was not even a death cross. Golden cross since the first 55 EMA came up in May of 2020. It stayed consistent. The EMA is super close, you know, coil, and then boom, on the weeklies we're still in a golden cross phase. Haven't seen a death cross, so maybe steady wins the race, slow and steady wins the race. You know, this is the tortoise in the story. not super volatile, right? I mean, in relation to other cryptos, look how steady this is. It's just a steady line right here. Let's make this bigger. A steady line has a big upswing here. I don't want that vertical. There you go. And now it's going steady. Does this set it up for, you know, another upswing? I don't know. It's possible, I guess. That would be something, right? If it's at 9 billion, you know, just newly listed on Robinhood. I know a lot of other exchanges have it. It's currently at around $1. Could it get to $10? Let's see what that would be. I know that should be super simple math, right? But I'm not super simple. Haha. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know. Yeah. 600% increase. That would be a cool trade. If this holds, you know, if this holds. Right now it's under the 20 EMA. It's battling between the EMAs. You know, like a lot of other projects, we're in a horizontal pattern. Let's do the daily. Maybe the daily will show us. I'm seeing some death crosses. All right, the daily looks a little more what we're used to. Still, though, huge golden cross opportunity here. Boom. Finally came down around this around here. Golden. Let's spread out. Death cross, golden cross, death cross, golden cross, death cross, and something. it just touched right there. The EMA's kissed right there. Coming back down, maybe a reversal pattern, who knows? But it's just overall, this might not look consistent, but it's pretty darn horizontal, right? Ever since May of last year, it's kind of just stayed in that range. So I don't see anything super negative, but nothing super positive either. I like the weekly chart. The weekly chart is pretty nice. I guess the concerning part is that it's been inside the EMAs, so it's very undetermined, if you will. If you notice this here, it never touched the 55. Here you're starting to get this almost looks like it closed over the 55, over the 55. So we're getting a lot of closes just barely above the 55 and even some wicks down below. So that might be bearish. The market has been on a pretty decent bull run, and maybe it's time for a correction, But yeah, I'm just reporting what I see. You do what you got to do. I'm not a financial advisor or anything. I'm just looking at charts and reporting back what I see. If this goes up, that's a pretty good return, right? 600%. If it goes down, there's really no telling where it would go down to. No, I take that back. It'll probably come back to these fibs here, sort of this area around the 3-cent mark, 30-cent mark. It probably won't come back to the penny, just because of the market cap and the project. So nice little S curve here. Could have come down here, kind of retest this, maybe. Who knows? But yeah, just want to take a look. I appreciate it. Thank you again.